A hydraulic brick-making machine is a mechanical device to produces bricks or blocks from raw materials. The required power is 3 HP 3-phase motor. These machines make more bricks at a faster rate compared to manual. The advantage of this machine is reduced labor, low maintenance, eco-friendly, less time-consuming. The size of the brick is 9*4*3 inch. This machine can make an interlocking hollow brick also. The maximum pressure is 3000 psi. The size of this brick is 10*5*4 inch. The production capacity of this machine is around 4000 to 4500 pieces day.